Babu Yuvraj Singh Ayurvedic Medical College, Lucknow. Today I am going to discuss my thesis work, Observational Study on Pamla with special reference to hepatitis B under the influence of Falsificatic Hepatitis. As we know, hepatitis refers to the inflammatory condition of the liver, which can be caused by the viral infection, non-viral infection, and metabolic disease. Infective hepatitis is one of the chief culprits of liver-related morbidity and morbidity. It is emerging as a tough challenge in series of global health problems after HIV. Rationals of the study. In modern science, treatment of hepatitis B is aimed to suppressing viral load and boosting the patient immune response with immunotherapeutic intervention. Unfortunately, complete eradication of hepatitis B is scarcely achieved with the current available treatment option for chronic hepatitis B, and the treatment with interferons is so costly. This is a gray area in modern medicine. The care is aimed at maintaining comfort and adequate nutritional balance and plenty of fluids. Under the complementary system of medicine, Ayurveda stands first in providing the complete, reliable, successful outcome among the patient of the hepatitis B with or without symptoms or complications like persistent jaundice, cirrhosis, ascites, and liver cancer. In many Ayurvedic clinical experimental research trials, it has been proven that the Katuki Kirati Guduchi named are the hepatoprotective, hepatoregenerative, immunomodulant, choligogoc, polyractic agent, but till date only few studies have been conducted to evaluate their role in the evidence in the clearance of viral marker or elimination of hepatitis B viruses. So, aims and objective. The primary objective is to study the clinical efficacy and safety of the Falsificatic Hanbati in the cases of hepatitis B. Material and method. The study was designed. The study location, the OPD and IPD of the Kai Chikitsa of Sir Sundarlal Hospital, BHU, Varanasi. The duration of study is July 2016 to December 2017. At a total of 50 diagnosed uncomplicated cases of hepatitis B were registered from the OPD and IPD of Kai Chikitsa. And in group 1, 25 patients were taken and given to Falsificatic Hanbati. And group 2, also 25 patients were taken and given to capsule Lee-52 HB. Duration of follow-up is 3 months at an interval of every 1 month. And the drugs were taken from Sharandhar Madhyam Khand, Faltrika Amrita Tikta Nim Kirat Vasaki, Jain Madhut Kwatam Kamlam Pandutam Takha. The trial contained 8 Ayurvedic drugs, Amrita Vasa Nim Kirati Katuki Haritki Vivitki Amliki, as mentioned in Sarana Samhita. Various subjective and objective parameters were assessed. In objective parameters, we assess CBC, LFT, HbS-AG, HBV DNA quantitative, RFT, and USG. Clinical profile. Most of the patients in both the group are presented with Avipak and Dorval as majority of symptoms, and mostly the patients were in both the group were Pitkap Prakriti. Clinical outcome. There is significant improvement in Avipak in both the group, but in group 1, in which trial drug is given, there is more significant improvement due to the Ruksh and Laghu gun of the Ruksh, Laghu and Deepan Pachan gun of the trial drug, which enhance the Agni. And biochemical outcomes. There is significant reduction in serum bilirubin after treatment in group 1, and there is significant reduction in group 1 in ALT and AST, and also in significant reduction in alkaline phosphatase. In HbA quantitative, when we done HbA quantitative analysis, the result is highly significant in group 1, in which Valtrikadi Ghanvati is given. And when we analyze HBV DNA, there is a significant reduction in HBV DNA in both the group, but in group 1, in which Valtrikadi Ghanvati is given, there were more patients. There was most improvement in Valtrikadi Ghanvati group. And during the trial, blood urea and serum creatinine, serum electrolyte levels are within normal range before and after treatment, suggesting that selected Ayurvedic drug and Li52HB were safe regards to renal function. And discussion. Conclusion. Both the group have shown statistically significant reduction in HBV viral load. In group 1, a sharp reduction of viral load less than 20 international units per ml was observed in 65.2% of cases, while in group 2, in which Li52HB is given, 45.5% of cases in 45.5% cases there is significant reduction in HBV DNA. The drug Valtrikadi Ghanvati possesses polyractic and laxative property, and the Valtrikadi Ghanvati has also a calming property as shown over objective parameters with marked improvement in ALT, AST, ALT levels and HBP, DNA and HbA. Limitation of study is
तोमर सर का ना
it was only for 3 months.
तोमर सर का ना
And recommendations, we recommend a large study with a large sample size and a long duration of follow-up to establish the antiviral properties, optimum dose and duration of Valtrikadi Ghanvati for the treatment of hepatitis B. Thank you.